Welcome into the realm of sound and vibration with me, your host, Candi Kellogg. What is forgiveness? Many think it means absolution for another's actions that caused harm. But nothing could be further from the truth. You're not forgiving the actions. You are forgiving the person, that soul within. Why? Forgiveness is all about you, not about them. Freeing you from the energetic ties of emotions that keep you moored in low vibration with another. For who you place in shadows takes you into the shadows with them. In order for you to clear your shadows, you must first engage in forgiveness of the ones you've tied yourself to. It's all about you. I want you to settle back and relax your body. We're going to release some tension. You do this by first closing your eyes and thinking about your feet. Do you feel them? Tense them and inhale deeply, and then release the muscles and your breath slowly through your mouth. Next, your legs and buttocks. Tense, and again inhale deeply and then release. Next, you tense your abdomen, and again breathe and release. Now I want you to repeat this with your shoulders and neck. Good. Are you beginning to feel a sense of dreaminess? A feeling of, perfect. Now, with your eyes still closed, I want you to imagine a cave before you. A cold, dark cave. And in that cave, I want you to place the names of those you feel have hurt you, or that you are angry with. Have as many in your cave as you need to have. Don't worry if you think you are forgetting someone. You can redo this exercise as many times as you like. And don't forget to put yourself in your cave. For we all do things we regret saying or doing because we not only judge others, but we judge ourselves. And we judge ourselves the most harshly. So go ahead and put those names in your cave, into the dark, into the cold, out of the light. Now imagine yourself lighting a candle and entering this dark, cold cave. Shine your candle on each face of the person whose name you placed in there. See each one standing there, alone and in the dark. As you gaze upon them in your mind, I want you to feel your chest, but where your heart and sternum is, and taking a deep breath, send from your heart on the slow exhale through your mouth this thought. I forgive you for not being who I wanted you to be. And you ask them to follow you out of the cave and into the light. Imagine each person lifting to the light, with yourself being the last to rise, and know that you have set them and yourself free from the negative ties that bound you. Blessings to all.
You've been listening to The Sound of Healing with host Candi Kellogg. To connect with Candi or to check out our other shows, head to lifesource.global. And don't forget, hit the like, subscribe and share buttons. This show has been brought to you by Source Light Productions.